Synthetic chemist Dawei believes that playing bridge made him better at building the complex molecules at the heart of medicines.
I think it's quite helpful because solving problem also you need a logical thinking.
During a chemical synthesis, each piece needs to be added at the right place and orientation in a precise sequence of additions and trims. In one reaction, the Ullmann reaction, two simple hydrocarbons are joined by copper catalysts to build a more complicated molecule. But this only happens at dangerously high temperatures that would destroy any delicate hydrocarbons, limiting the reaction's usefulness. Ma deduced that adding an amino acid to the catalyst would give the copper a boost, making the reaction work at temperatures low enough to produce useful drugs.
We're quite happy the people can use our chemistry to improve their synthesis and make that product much easier and cheaper.
Ma's innovations are being used by pharmaceutical companies every day to develop drugs that improve our lives.
I think chemistry can change the world. We can make the new molecule and help the people in many aspects, like medicine and material.
Chemical reactions sometimes produce mixtures of mirror image molecules, one of which could be a life-saving medicine, and the other a terrible toxin. For example, one form of thalidomide relieves morning sickness in pregnant women, but a slight twist in the molecule makes it cause birth defects instead. Chemist Xiaoming Feng focused on the mixture problem from the start of his career. He loves to arrange and rearrange atoms into molecules. His goal? Asymmetric reactions that produce only molecules with the correct arrangement. After 8 years of experiments, Feng's team finally managed to find ideal catalysts for the job, NN dioxides.
They discovered this really big surprise.
Feng compares NN dioxides with the martial arts weapon, the nunchucks. Both consist of two parts connected by a chain, and like nunchucks, Feng's molecule combines flexibility with power. By controlling how the chemicals in a reaction meet, NN dioxides ensure that they come together in the desired arrangement. NN dioxides can also be tweaked to guide different reactions. Feng made it possible to manufacture drugs like this one in its most potent arrangement instead of as a mixture. His family of catalysts are putting more life-saving drugs into the hands of people who need them. In living cells, molecules fit together with perfect precision. And like can openers, enzymes are designed to work best for right or left hands, but not both. Drugs often need to be made in a specific orientation to be effective and safe, a task which is difficult to accomplish in the lab. The search for catalysts that would make product in only one orientation has driven chemist Qilin Zhou for years.
Our goal always perfect, always 100%.
These rigid pretzel-like spirocycle molecules turned out to be the backbone of the catalyst system Zhou needed. Although mirror image spirocycles exist, Zhou could use a pure form to make his catalyst. A left-handed spirocycle acts as a template to catalyze only left-handed products. Zhou's exuberance for chemistry led him to catalysts that can drive selective reactions,
including some reactions that never been done before,
and to design this Chinese periodic table necktie for his institute.
My dream was the very good catalyst, very efficient catalyst, and now I get that target. So my dream is real nice.
Drugs for blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes are being produced more efficiently than ever, thanks to Zhou's catalysts. The 2018 Future Science Prize in Physical Science was awarded to Dawei Ma, Xiaoming Feng, and Qilin Zhou for inventing new catalysts and chemical reactions, which opened avenues for synthesizing organic molecules, especially pharmaceutical molecules.